relationships like jigsaw puzzles, a myriad of shapes and colors spread out for me to reconfigure some predetermined picture. A cardio blast for my brain, a kaleidoscope of bliss. But imagine my frustration when the pieces didn't fit. Fascination with what was inside the box. I claim, scene one, I seen them all. Same cookie cutter, same knife, turning 1 inch to the right to give a different feel, but the contents are all alike. And when I picked your box, for a second I sensed your telepathy, but I let my past drown out your sweet melody. I heard Billy singing the blues instead of your hip-hop new wave.